Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Sainte-Anne-des-Plaines is a charming town in the Laurentide region of Quebec. Located just 32 kilometers north of Montreal, this peaceful community offers a mix of history, agriculture, and scenic beauty. The town has deep agricultural roots, with rich farmland that has supported dairy, beef, and poultry farming for generations. Crops like corn, oats, and strawberries are key to the local economy, making it a hub for agriculture in the region. Sainte-Anne-des-Plaines has an interesting history, too. The railway arrived in 1877, connecting local farmers to markets in Montreal. This was a game-changer for the town's development. The old convent of the Sisters of Sainte Anne, built in 1883, now serves as the town hall, a beautiful reminder of its heritage. Nature lovers will find plenty to enjoy here. The town is surrounded by lush landscapes and offers parks like Parc André Corbeil, perfect for walks and picnics. For those interested in local culture, the historic Église Sainte-Anne-des-Plaines, dating back to the 18th century, is a must-visit. Today, Sainte-Anne-des-Plaines is a quiet yet vibrant community. It's a place where history meets nature, and modern life blends seamlessly with its agricultural traditions. Whether you're here for the scenery, the history, or just a peaceful day out, this town has something for everyone.
Bye.